Elevating your non-alcoholic beverage game has never been more exciting with a range of unique mocktails that go beyond the ordinary. These 10 handcrafted mocktails infuse creativity, flavors, and unexpected twists into your glass, offering a refreshing and delightful experience for every occasion. Watermelon Mint Elixir. Revitalize your senses with the Watermelon Mint Elixir. Fresh watermelon juice intermingles with muddled mint leaves, a drizzle of agave syrup, and a burst of lime, coming together over ice for a cool and rejuvenating quaff. Sage and Black Pepper Sipper. The Sage and Black Pepper Sipper is a blend of unexpected flavors. Muddled blackberries and sage leaves meet the heat of black pepper syrup and the zest of lemon juice, capped off with tonic water for an invigorating experience. Coconut Lavender Lemon Fizz. Creamy coconut milk and fragrant lavender syrup embrace the zing of lemon juice in the Coconut Lavender Lemon Fizz. Finished with sparkling water, it's a tropical escape layered with floral intrigue. Turmeric Mango Lassi Mocktail. An ode to traditional Indian flavors, the Turmeric Mango Lassi Mocktail combines creamy mango puree, tangy yogurt, earthy turmeric, a touch of honey, and a whisper of cardamom, crafting a beverage that's both luxurious and exotic. Spiced Apple Pie Mocktail. Embrace the warmth of autumn with the Spiced Apple Pie Mocktail. Apple cider mingles with cinnamon syrup and a hint of nutmeg, crowned by a caramelized apple slice, encapsulating the essence of a comforting slice of apple pie. Blackberry Lavender Lemonade. The Blackberry Lavender Lemonade is a sweet symposium of flavors. Luscious blackberries and aromatic lavender syrup blend harmoniously with tangy lemon juice and a touch of rose water, making for a captivating and refreshing drink. Pineapple Sage Sparkler. Tropical paradise meets herbaceous sophistication in the Pineapple Sage Sparkler. Sage-infused pineapple juice mingles with a dash of apple cider vinegar and soda water, crafting a drink that's both enchanting and invigorating. Hibiscus Ginger Fizz. Bold and vibrant, the Hibiscus Ginger Fizz combines the deep hues of hibiscus tea with the spiciness of ginger syrup and the zing of lemon juice. Finished with sparkling water, it's a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. Virgin Mojito Sorbet Float. A twist on the classic mojito. The Virgin Mojito Sorbet Float is a delightful fusion of tangy lime sorbet, fragrant mint leaves, zesty lime juice, and bubbly club soda. The sugared rim adds an extra touch of sweetness to this frosty delight. Cucumber Basil Cooler. Marrying the crispness of cucumbers with the aromatic essence of fresh basil, the Cucumber Basil Cooler is a masterpiece of muddled ingredients. Blended with zesty lime juice and a hint of simple syrup, it's topped off with effervescent soda water for a rejuvenating sip. Embarking on a journey through these 10 unique mocktails promises a world of flavors that challenge the ordinary. Crafted to delight the senses, each mocktail brings a touch of innovation to your glass, turning any moment into a special occasion. Enjoy the artistry of taste without the need for alcohol. Cheers! Thank you for watching the video. Check out the video on the screen. Like the video, comment your feedback and subscribe for more such interesting videos.